this video, we're going to cover how to read a past life. Now, go ahead and just close your eyes for a moment. All right, and I'm going to have you explore this lecture in meditation. So just run some Earth and Cosmic. Make sure that protection rose is up. Fill in with a gold sun. And just create a rose out in front of you. Have this rose represent just the concept about past lives. Okay? And the great thing about, exploring lecture in this way with rose is you're practicing your reading muscles while at the same time just learning, right? Listening to me lecture and you're learning at the same time. So it's a different way, it's a clairvoyant way of learning. Now, when it comes to reading past lives, the value of reading a past life is that you might have started something in a past life that you didn't quite finish, right? So say in a past life you were learning how to explore your psychic abilities. And in that past life, maybe someone thought you were really weird. It's like, what are you doing? What is that? That's weird. And maybe in this past life, you were mistaken for a witch or, like a crazy person. All right, and so when it comes to that particular past life, maybe unfortunately you were burned at the stake, right? Like you hear about these witches burned at the stake. And so you started something you didn't get to finish, right? So fast forward to this lifetime. Here you are in this clairvoyant program. And now it's like, well, this lifetime I'm finally going to be exploring these abilities, and this time I'm going to take it to the next level. All right. So the value of exploring past lives is that karmically, karma, my definition of karma is that it's a cycle, and each cycle has a beginning and it has an end. You can complete a cycle. The thing with karma, though, is that it just goes in circles over and over and over again until you actually learn the lesson, or until you complete that cycle somehow. So if you started learning how to explore your abilities in a past life but didn't get to finish it, this lifetime, by reading about your past lives, it gives you clues into, why. Right? Gives you clues into why. It's like, why am I exploring this lifetime? Why do I feel this deep urge? Or, it could be in the realms of relationships. Why do I always attract the same person? Or maybe you had a past life with your current child. Maybe in the past life, your child today was your parent in that past life, right? So you needed to mend something with your relationship with your child in this lifetime. Or it could be around money. It could be around health, wealth, relationship, all of those things. All right, so this is why we read past lives. It just gives us clues, and then from there you can make better decisions about this lifetime, so that in some future lifetime you don't have to complete that karma over and over and over again. All right, so anyway, go ahead and you can open your eyes, and in the next meditation I'm going to actually have you read a past life. I'll talk about the technique of reading a past life. All right, see you in the next video.